Good morning, YouTube. Jared here, Four Guys Talking Cars. Hit that subscribe button if you would, and hit that like button. We'd appreciate it. Happy Thanksgiving week to everyone. Hope you're all taking the time to enjoy some friends, some family, and time for reflection on everything we're grateful for. With that being said, I thought I'd look back to a video that was made but never posted to this channel. I thought we'd travel back to a time when I owned my Pontiac G8 GT. I've owned both a GT and a GXP. And with the GT, I put a cold air intake and a Corsa exhaust system on it. You know, I kind of miss the Pontiac. I do from time to time. My Charger's making me forget about it real quick, but there's a lot of things to like about that rear wheel drive platform, that LS3 motor in the GXP, and even that nice V8 in the GT. So anyways, here we go. This is my 2009 Pontiac G8 GT, and besides it needing a bath, because yeah, it's been raining out, it's been parked inside this garage, and I've been waiting for these new packages to arrive from Jegs. I've got a new Corsa Cat-Back system, the sports system, and I'm getting it installed today. So I've got 48,000 original miles and change on this car. I bought it again brand new in 2009, and I have babied this sucker. Yeah, you can see. I mean, this frickin' thing is immaculate. Let's take a look here. You can see. You can see there's nothing. This thing has been absolutely cared for. So I'm gonna start this thing up cold, and let's take a listen before, and then we'll do an after once the Cat-Back system has been installed. By the way, I am also having this Volant cold air intake installed at the same time. So we will check in later, see how it all goes. Back the next day. The cold air intake has been installed, and so has the Corsa exhaust system. I got the sport level exhaust system. Let's give this a start and see how it sounds. So that's it, the last of the Pontiac G8 content. It was the first video ever did, car related. Hope you enjoyed that. That Corsa exhaust, what a difference on that G8. If you've got a G8, do not hesitate. I loved that exhaust. And again, missed the car. All right, until next time, have a good one.